Hello, I welcome you to your screen, and today I want us to look at the process of deriving an algebraic expression and solving the expression, right? And this expression, the algebraic expression, we are going to get it from the question we are having on our board here, yes? Which goes, some birds were flying and met a bird on their way. The bird greeted them. Hello, 100. Yes, they said, we are not 100. We need half of us plus you to make us 100. Then the question is, how many birds were flying? Possible answers are 98, 198, 49, 66, 51, 101. Right? So, from this story, we are going to derive an algebraic expression and then solve the expression. Yes. To come up with an expression, we are going to look at the ints. We are given some int here. We have 100. We have u. This is 1, right? Because u is 1. It's not we. And then we have we. So we look at, let's use our pen here. We look at the 100. We look at we look at u, right? To get our answer here. So to get our answer, we look at the we need half of us plus u. So let's we be x, right? And x, these ones are the birds, right? So let's the birds be x. So they need the half of them. So they need x divided by 2 plus u, so plus 1, right? To be, all these should add up to 100, right? So we have an expression which goes by x birds plus half of the birds, right? Plus the one bird, which gives us 100 birds, right? So we are going to have x plus x divided by 2 is equals to, we carry this one and 1 here, and it becomes as minus, so this one should be 99, right? So to do away with 2 here, so that we are left with x, right? Because we had the value of x, we multiply every part of our expression by 2. So it's 2, and then 2 here, right? So we have 2x plus an x, right? Which is equals to 198, right? So this one is 3x now, which is equals to 198, right? So to have x, we need to divide by 3, and we divide by 3. So x is equals to 66. And that's expression. So our x is 66. So we have 66 birds, which needs the half of them, that is 33, plus the one bird to be 100. So 66 plus 33 plus 1, which is 100. So we have proved that our answer is C, that is 66. We have derived an expression from the story given. We have solved the expression and we've got the answer. So be proud to say that the answer is 66, right? Thank you for watching. You can subscribe, like and share your friends.